Welcome to lesson 7 of YCT Standard course. Today we are continuing learning about the weather. Snow is called 下雪天. 下雪天. Fog is called 雾天. 雾天. Frost is called 霜. 霜. Thunder and lightning is called 雷电. 雷电. Overcast is called 阴天. 阴天. Now, let's review the words again. 下雪天. 雾天. 霜. 雷电. 阴天. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment. Hit the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.